Hi and welcome back. My name is Emily. I'm so happy that you stopped by today because I have a really fun interactive card using dies and products from Icrafter. And I started off by using one of the new dies called Puppy Face Wiper Insert. And this is super cute, you guys. You can see here all of the pieces that comes in this die set, so it's a bigger one. And I cut them out of different shades of brown and white and like cream colored cardstock, and I will have one color for the dog on the inside and one color for the outside. And the blue paper here, I just got some inspiration from the packaging. I really love this color, this teal blue color. It's one of my favorites, and I really wanted to create something with it to have on the inside. So here you can see I'm just creasing along this, the scored parts. All of this was done for me when I created this this die. When I run it through my die cutting machine with the paper, all of these lines were scored for me, so I didn't have to do anything. I'm just carefully like intensifying the lines and helping the paper to curve the way I want it, just to get the mechanism to work here. So I'm doing this in real time, so you can see how slowly I'm going, just to make sure that my paper isn't going in the wrong direction, because then the mechanism will not work in the end here. So when I'm done with that, I will start decorating this cute dog. And I started out with the white part here, or I cut it out of some cream color cardstock, and I had some a black nose and as well as some black eyes. And I just looked at the packaging to know exactly how to space out the eyes, because I always think that is a little bit of a... it could be hard to do, so it was nice to have the packaging just there to look at. And then we can go ahead and attach our dog to the inside of our card. So you can see here the pieces that I'm putting glue at. I'm just gluing that to, I'm sorry I'm a little bit off camera here, but I'm gluing it to the main body of the dog, if that makes sense. And then I will take the tabs here and glue them. Then we'll be on the bottom of our card base here. So here you can see, now I'm moving everything into screen. So there, I'm just attaching that. And you want to use something that is really strong here. So I love this liquid glue from Nuvo. I think it's amazing, but you can use strong double-sided tape if that is something you're more comfortable with using. And then you can see I'm just folding everything down, and I'm holding a second just to let the glue like grip onto the paper. And then you can see here how it all looks. I hopefully will turn the paper so you can see. I also am attaching the ears. Hopefully you can see which part I'm attaching it to. I'm attaching it to the back side of that mechanism, so the ears will actually move inside of our card when we are opening the card. So it's super cute. You could have something else floating here. For example, I was contemplating having like a Santa's hat coming out from one of the sides, but I didn't go with that today. But that is also a fun idea. You could also use this mechanism and have like balloons that is flying out or something else, but I really like this. It's super cute. And Icrafter have a couple of different types of these wiper insert that you can use if you like. So this is one of the new ones, and I really think it's so fun, and it's a brilliant design. And I will use some more glue here just to attach my inner part. You could have skipped this altogether if you like it to be just on the white card base, but I think it was nice to have that blue on the background. So I will create one more dog, but this time I will have it on the front of my card to decorate the front panel. So I will go ahead and use some dimension for this one just to build it and make it look a little bit more realistic. And I didn't want to do that on the inside of the card, since I want to be able to close the card and maybe mail it away. If I have too much dimension on the inside, that will be hard to do, but on the outside it's no problem. And I will attach a yellow heart pattern that I just had in my stash. I thought it would be kind of cute because the sentiment I will be using are from the Valentine Gable box, and it says Happy Valentine's Day. Super cute. And I just cut it out of some gold cardstock or gold glitter cardstock, and on the inside I couldn't leave it as is. I just took the love from the same die set, the Valentine Gable box, and just put it there right above the dog. And then you have plenty of space to write your personal message on the other side of this, the side that don't have the wiper pop-ups. You can see you have a lot of space. So here is the finished card. I hope you liked it. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and maybe liking this project with giving it just a thumb up. That would mean a lot to me. And also I have a coordinating blog post if you like to see the still shots of this project. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!